Good morning students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I am Vani, Schoolist in Physical Science working at JPHS Srirangavaram, Medchal district. Today I am going to perform you an experiment which is about hot air is lighter than cold air. For that I took the material is stick and thread and two paper cups, and two paper cups are hanged like this invertedly to this stick like this. And here initially when I have taken the arrangement, the two paper cups, when I am hanging to this stick, the two paper cups are at the same height like this, and air is in these cups. You know that air occupies space at any place. Air is already there in these paper cups. Okay. Now I will heat one of these cups and I will show you what happens to the initial arrangement. For that, what I am doing is I am taking a candle and I am lighting the candle like this. Now I will arrange this one cup on this candle. Now observe students what happens. Now the candle is heating the air which is present inside this cup. And what happens, we will observe. Yes, you are observing that slowly the cup is going up. Yes. Why the cup is going up? When the balance will be like this, when this one is lighter and this one is heavier. In that case only the balance will be like this. Yes. Yes. When you are buying vegetables in the market, you will see that one now. Yes. Here the gas in this cup is becoming lighter and the gas in this cup is heavier. That's why the balance is tilting here, turning to this side. From this I can say that when the gas is heated up, what happens? It will become lighter. Why this is happening so? Why this is happening? Because when the air or the gas is heated, it acquires energy, and because of that energy it starts expanding. Expanding means it is the space between the molecules or the particles which are there is becoming more. That means it is increasing its size, so that the density of this gas is decreased. When the density decreases, it tries to float or it tries to go up in the air. This is the thing which is happening here. And this is nothing but we can call this as the expansion of air also. Based on this principle, hot air balloons will work. The hot air balloons will take us up in the air. And those balloons are going up, or they will be blown out when the gas is entered into the balloon. When the gas once entered, the balloon is bulged and it will become lighter. Because of the hot air, it will become lighter and it will go up in the sky, so that we can go in the sky. And in the factories also, the air which is polluted air which is coming outside is from the top of the factory ceiling. Now here in our houses also we are keeping ventilators. What is the use of these ventilators? Yes, ventilators are kept for the air to go out, which is after we are breathing out the air the gas which we are breathing out, that should go out is nothing but with the help of the ventilators, so that we can take out the fresh air inside with the help of the windows and the doors. Thank you, students.